Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off badge notification on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off badge notification on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this kind of interface appears, tap on the settings button over here, just thumb up help and feedback, and when you land over here, tap on the notifications option over here, just thumb up the privacy and data. And if you look at the bottom of the list, guys, you can see the new badges option over here, and it also says notify me on YouTube and YouTube Music when I receive a new badge. Make sure the toggle icon at the right side of that option is turned off and turned to gray. And with that being done, guys, your badge notification on YouTube Music app will be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off badge notifications on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.